Sample preparation for icicle. You need a scoop spatula to scoop the material from the can. The can is already at room temperature and the material is semi-hard. You need to wear a glove. I use finger cuts because it's faster and it's less restrictive. You can use a full glove, latex glove with anti-static to be able to handle the material better. And a piece of non-absorptive or non-stick paper. Put the paper on the milligram scale. The milligram scale, there are all kinds in the market. This one is particular one is $150. We've used it quite a lot. And then tear using 5828 binder. It's a PAV aged. With this scoop spatula, try to get between 31 to 33 milligram of material. Now this one seems to be more than that, a lot more than that, but we'll see. Put the material on the scale, and this is 44 milligrams, so we have about 13 milligram extra. To trim it off, remove the paper from the scale and try to get as close to 30 milligram as possible. 13. So now it should be close to, so it's exactly 31 milligram, which is between 31 to 33. Now grab the material and just place it on the inset. That's all you have to do. Then close the hood. In the software, put the binder name on the top, the test name, and also the PG. This one was 5828. You only have to put the high temperature PG. It needs that for mounting, but the low temperature is only for information, so it doesn't affect the test. And then click on Start Test. A confirmation page comes. You review, make sure you have all the settings correctly. If not, just cancel out, modify, and start again, and then click on OK. So when you click on OK, the measuring system on the hood would actually lower and the gap to the about 3 millimeter gap, but it wouldn't touch the material yet. The material should be completely melted, turned into a perfect dome, and then the measuring system would actually reach the test gap, which is 0.5 millimeter. After the test is concluded, the light will turn on. The MCR would be at 90 degrees, so the inside would be hot. And this is the temperature that any material would be soft enough to be cleaned or removed from the inside. So all you do, you just go to the software and click on Raise in order to raise the measuring system, clean the measuring system and the insert. We use a small paper towel, about 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. You need one for the measuring system, one for the inset, and maybe another one for the sides, for the top of the inset and the sides of the inset, to completely clean the device and ready for the next test. So after you click on the raise button, measuring system goes all the way up. Open the hood, remove the measuring system, and just wipe the tip of measuring system. It's completely clean. Now there would be very little material left, but we found that that doesn't really affect the test. So there is an advantage of not using a solvent, but if you want to use a solvent, you're welcome to do that. And then wipe the inset and then wipe the walls of the inset to make it completely. The walls are important because for the next test it may interfere with the test. So top of the inset, the walls, and the measuring system. Now you've cleaned the device, it's ready for the next test.